Oh, with hand. Look so real. The coloring is so nice. Blend them so good. I have to come here and buy some art, bro. So awesome. The master at work. Oh wow. It's very cool. Let's go through it all. I might pick one later on, you know. If I watch the video, I see one that I like, I'll come back and pick one. This one is also nice. It's so cool. Oh wow. That is nice. Look like splashing water. That is cool. Kid is having some milk. Wow. That's amazing. Wow. So this too. So many art to pick from, guys. If you guys wanna come, guys, you come check this place out. African Village. What's the artist name? What's so what? So one artist. It's hard for me to pronounce in Uganda. Yeah. Yeah. Sewanyana.
Yes, Dennis.
Dennis. Sewanyana Dennis.
Yeah, the artist.
I know Dennis. The word Dennis. Yeah. The name Dennis. Yeah.
The Uganda name.
Oh, nice. Dennis. Yeah, this guy is a nice artist, bro. You guys should come check him out. You guys are watching this video here in Uganda, Kampala, at African Village. If you Google it, you'll find it easily. That's how I got it. I got the place like that. Even what's up, right?
Yeah.
So actually, yeah. Here, look at that. That's his information. If you want, you can, you know, call him for this beautiful art, man. Support your local Ugandans. It's actually very nice. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a walk in there and see what they have. And yeah, if I watch the video, I see something that I like, because I'm coming back later on too, right, to pick up some stuff. So I'll pick up some and then get some. I'm good. Yeah, she was selling me some hats.
Let me show
Yep.
you others.
Yep, sound good. She's about to show me some other stuff, so let's see. Okay, these are all black and white, right?
Yeah.
Nice, yeah. I think we've been to, we didn't see this one. I think we seen, no, it was down there.
Yeah.
Somewhere there. Yeah, these are nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are nice. Wow. This one is cool. The horn and stuff. Guys, I think I know where I'll be picking parts for my mom's house. I know after the house is done being built, getting built, I know where to come to buy stuff. Hey, hey, this is nice too. Wow. So realistic. Very. This is years of skills, eh? Years of practice. Look, bring everything to life. Let's turn it like this. Look at this. Oh wow. This is 3D. Hey, hey, hey. Very nice. Wow, that's enough. Yep. Alright. Oh wow. That is so beautiful. I love this kind. The kids, mom and kids, yeah, mom and son and daughter. Yeah, this one is beautiful also. It's so nice. Wow. This is cool. Mhm. Wow, that's nice. Ooh, wow. Aboriginal natives. That is very nice. That's so cool. Yeah, I'll come back and check some out, right? Let me just go explore some stuff in there, right?
You can get your WhatsApp so you can be seeing the status.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yep. Here is 1 2 2 6 3 3 8 0 2 0 6. That's my WhatsApp
My name's
number.
Daipo, bro.
Yep.
My name's Daipo.
Martin.
Martin, eh?
Yeah, Martin. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Awesome. Thank you very much, eh?
You're welcome. Nice
Appreciate
to meet
it.
you, bro.
Looking forward to getting all your stuff.
Yeah. So that's the Instagram and Facebook.
Okay. Yep. Let me show them again. I showed them down, but this one is way clear.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you. But yeah, guys. Again, if you guys want to get a hold of them to buy one of this beautiful art, you can contact them through that number. And what's up? Yeah, they have Instagram, Facebook, and what's up. So yeah, and that's the artist right there that I just spoke to right there. He's just sitting having lunch right there. So yeah. All right, let's continue exploring. All right. Thank you very much for showing me around. I really appreciate it. Eh?
Welcome.
Thank you. Take care. I hope to come back and buy some stuff. Take care. All right. Let's go. There's very many art. So let me just keep exploring and see what I can get. Hello.
You can have a look.
All right. Let's see what do you guys have here. Here. Oh wow, they have nice wallets too. Let's see. Some bracelet would be nice. Some like this, cool ones like this. But I got this one last time. I gave it to a bonga. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I gave it to a bonga. There's not enough lighting here. There's very light in here, so you cannot see it. But yeah, this is the one that I have.
This is a 44. Maybe
Wow.
I should choose an N44 there.
We have some shoes.
You can enter.
Thank you. Wow. Let's see, have lady stuff too here, and gentlemen's too, guys too.
So it's this.
But the lighting is not the best here, guys. I know you guys can't see it. The light is not good. And I'll go somewhere where there's light, but I'll stop by here later again to buy some stuff. See, but they got sticks too, and beautiful pictures art too. Wow. Chain. That's nice. Thank you. Yep, you're welcome. Yep. I'm just going to shopping.
I'm just leaving.
Hey, here.
You're coming back.
They have some bracelet. Wow, okay. How much is this?
This is 20.
20 blue. Yeah, it's a bit too expensive.
How much do you have?
Don't know exactly. I have 10.
And 10 is too big.
How about 15? 15, alright. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me pack it for you. Should I
Thank
pack
you.
it?
Yep. Yeah, I just put it on. The money. Nice, nice. Cool. It's a bit too tight. That is good, yeah. It's good like that.
Thank you very much.
Just a little bit holded, just a little bit tight. Perfect, that's good, yeah. Thank you, Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Do you have anything else?
No, actually, the light here, I'm making a video, so it's hard for me. The light inside is not good, so I'm just window shopping, but thank you, though. This one is good enough, yeah. Appreciate it. This is nice. Wow. Hello.
I'm in my shop.
Hey.
I've been waiting.
She just told me straight up, welcome to her shop. She's been waiting.
Yeah.
I'm actually looking for clothes too right now.
Okay.
Yeah, some clothes.
Dresses, shirts.
Like just like shirts.
For you?
Yeah, for me, it would be for me. Like some shirts.
I have t-shirts. I have the...
Oh, the lights here is not good, guys. Oh wow, that is nice. It's actually very nice. I like this. How much would this go for?
50,000.
50? Okay.
I have this and I have this type. Let me show you this.